the floor, cars on the chair, teddies hiding everywhere, puzzle pieces under the bed. Let's tidy up just like we said. Pick it up, put it away. We can do it every day. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Cleaning up is easy peasy. Lift and sort, stack them high. Watch the messages say goodbye. Clean up, let's all try. Make our room look neat and bright. Clean up, hooray, hooray. With Buddy we learn and play. Books on the shelf, shoes in a row. Now our room begins to glow. Magic sparkle, look around. Happy smiles are what we found.